I was just checking and I did ask Diana, are you 100% sure about the federal government? Is that why Harry was so angry? It said yes. So I always have to say this is for entertainment only and allegedly. Welcome to Allegedly Tarot. Hi everybody. For this reading, as you can see, we're going to have Diana and we're going to ask some questions, and a lot of it, yes, will be about Harry, and because this whole week I've had to endure it as well as you did, I'm sure, about his polo show. I am not even clicking on that. I'm not looking at it. Nothing. I've heard enough about it to make me sick myself. That's my own opinion. So anyway, so Donald Trump and Prince William met in Paris. I'm just asking, what did Harry think about them two meeting? What did Harry think, please? No. Yeah, he didn't like it, I'm sure. So, I have to say, this video is for entertainment only and allegedly. And I noticed another thing. We had that, was it DealBook interview, and how arrogant he looked. And he come out and the look of thunder on his face. And I am going to ask, because he was introduced by the interviewer. I don't know his name, but he introduced him. And were there any boos? Did people boo? You know what? I did hear it. Yes. Look at that, guys. No wonder he was angry. Well, he deserves it. My opinion. So, yeah, he looked angry and arrogant and just annoyed. So, that radar online, it was talking about Meghan, that she was burning through Harry's inheritance. So, has the penny finally dropped with Harry? Did Harry finally wake up with Meghan, about Meghan? Yes. Wow, okay. So, I want, please spell out, why was he so angry at that DealBook? Because he did look like, and legs all spread out apart, and, you know, like, he makes me ill, just listening to him and looking at him. So, why was he so angry, please? I mean, surely he knew the questions ahead, right? Did he know the questions ahead of time? Because they usually do. Did he have the questions ahead of time? Oh, well, that's saying no. Are you sure? Well, can you tell us why he was so angry during that interview? Because just the, the clenching of the jaw and everything, he's just, So why was he so angry, please, during that interview? Is that an F? Why was he so angry, please? I just want to know if he, what happened. Is that an E? Is that a D? Why is he so angry? Next letter, please. Next letter, please. Is that a U or a E? Is it a U or is it a E? Okay, no, so E. So E. Or what? A. Are you spelling federal? Yes. Okay, go on, please. I was just saying, why was he so angry at the interview? G. Are you, wait. Okay, are you saying federal government? What? Why? What happened? What happened with the federal government then? Because he looked really angry, you know, at that interview. Did something happen? Yes. Guys, this is weird because I just wrote down some quick questions for this video right before I had no idea it was going to say that. So, all right, well, continue then. So what happened, please? What happened with Harry and the federal government? And what's happening? What happened with that, please? Spell it out for us, please. With Harry and the federal government. H. That's an H. E. H. E. Okay. Because he did, you guys gotta admit, he did look angry in that. So what's happened? He. Come on, you can't leave us hanging now. Okay, what's the next letter, please? He. He what, please? Is that a D or an S? Is that a D? Okay, it looks like it's going to, yes, okay. He, D. Okay, E. Is it E next? What's the next letter? You guys, I just want to say something too that, oh, wait, hang on. Next letter, P? It looks like it's going to P, guys. Oh, what? This is crazy. Are you saying deported? Deported. That's crazy. That's what came to my mind. Okay. Was this right before the interview? I'm asking why he was so angry at the interview. Did he just find out or something? Did he just find out? Yes. Okay, I wanted to know about the judge. So, the son apparently took that interview and it took the whole, transcript in the paper. So Harry is he's a fool, honestly. Because he was talking about the court case. Yes, Diana says yes. So will this affect the court case? Will this affect the court case? We all want to know. Yes. This is for allegedly and entertainment only. He already made the judge angry because he keeps dragging this on for too long. So, wow. Do you think this, I guess it was presented to the court or the high court? I don't know. That's what I heard, and this is a rumor because I don't know if it's true or not. It's saying yes. So do you think the judge has heard about this? Yes. You know what? I decided to use my Norse Goddess Rune Oracle, and we're going to do a deeper dive in that, with that interview, that DealBook interview that happened last week on December the 4th. So, what was the deal with Harry and his attitude? He looked so angry at that interview. So, my pendulum said that the government was deporting him. And let's see. Let's just see if what we can get out of this. So, is there any truth to that the government is deporting him? That's Thurisaz. Offense, defense, action. He's very defensive. It's in reverse. And Thurisaz is a thorn. That would be a thorn in his side. And it's also a troll. Which, So, in reverse, look at that. The thorns around the legs, and he's just hanging there, and there's nothing that he can do. Defense, he's so defensive. So yeah, we're asking if the government did give him a visit before that interview. Whoa! Hang on. That's Burkana Merkstave. And cover it with one of my runes. So, that's Burkana Merkstave, and that's the crone, stagnation, lack of growth. And as you can see with that, I had to cover up the BBs. So with Merc's stave, that's in reverse, and she is not, well, she's just an old crone, hateful, because angry, not growing, you know, stuck. So I was just asking about if the government, and I don't know, I don't see it with the Biden administration right now, but and really Trump can do nothing until he has his inauguration. So what's the outcome anyway? I'm just asking about, did Harry get news that he was going to be deported? Thursaz Merc's stave. Wow. He's got 2 Thursaz. That one was in reverse. Whoa. Aggression, conflict, and trouble. He's got troubles, guys. Look at that too, baby. And that is, look at this. I want you to look at this. So that upright, because it's a troll, right? A troll and thorns, and this is a thorn in his side. But look, it's backwards. It came out backwards in reverse, and Merc's stave means reversed as well. Look, 2 of the same 2 of the same. That one in reverse, and that is reversed. He is in trouble. He's got aggression, conflict, and trouble. Okay, that's weird to have two out of 3 cards out of all these. I think there's 39 cards there, and 2 reversed, and he can't grow, lack of growth. So okay, thank you guys. Thanks so much for being here, and I appreciate you so much. If you like my content, please press the like button and subscribe and the bell. Thank you so much, and I will see you on the next one.